Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I want to share with you a great app which I like to call the TikTok for school. I hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Now let's get on with the video. If you've heard of this site, you probably heard it called FLIPGRID, but it is now called just Flip. To access the site, you have to go to info.flip.com and click on Sign Up. To sign up, you need a Microsoft, a Google, or Apple account. For this video, we'll use a Google account. If you're already using Google Classroom with some of your classes, I strongly suggest you register with your Gmail account. It will make things easier further on. Once you're at the main page, go to the icon that says Group. Click on it and create a group. Choose the type of your group. In this case, we'll choose Classroom. And the age group, which in this case will be University. Click on Next, and now you can start creating your group. Name your group and choose a theme. You can either upload a picture from your computer or you can choose one from the available options. How will students join your group? You can send them a link to join the group once it is created. You can type their emails and students will get an invitation to join. Or you can add an existing Google Classroom group. Then click on Create Group. Now your group is ready and you are ready to create topics. To create a topic, click on Topic. Give a title to your topic and add a description or instruction of what you want your students to do. Determine the recording time for the topic videos and add topic media to illustrate your topic. I always go to the Add Media section and look for a funny GIF to place in my topic. There are some really funny ones. If you go to Topic Settings, you can determine the topic status, determine a deadline for student participation. You can also set up the type of comments or interactions students will have, add closed captions in English or Spanish, and change or edit the recording time for topic videos. You can also edit the types of student response, camera features, and add a guest password for people to join the topic. Then click on Post Topic. Now your topic is ready to be shared with students. Group members will receive a notification that the topic is active and available. You can also share the link to the topic. Once your topic is ready, don't be shy and be the first one to post a video. That way your students can follow your example and also you can find out all the fantastic features of the Flip camera. On the next video, we'll focus on all the features of the Flip camera and how to use them. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and until the next time, happy teaching everyone!